Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete hidden partitions on Windows. So sometimes some of the disk partitions of your disk might be hidden and you might want to delete it. In that case, what you have to do is open the command prompt. For that, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is simply type in CMD over here. Now you'll be able to find the option for command prompt. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option known as administrator. Now you can see over here command prompt will be opened. First of all, what you have to do is start the disk part. So simply enter disk part over here. Now press enter. Now you can see over here disk part will be started. So first of all, what you have to do is list the available disks. For that, what you have to do is simply type in list space disk. Press enter. Now you can see over here all the available disks will be listed over here. Now simply select the disk that you think contains the hidden partition. For that, what you have to do is type in select space disk. For me, I'm just going to enter 0. Now press enter. Now you can see over here disk 0 is now selected. Now what you have to do is simply list the partition again. So type in the command list space partition. Press enter. Now you can see over here the partitions will be listed. In the disk management, you can see over here for disk 0 there is only partition 1 and partition 2. But in the command prompt, partition 3 and 4 are also being shown. That means partition 3 and partition 4 are actually hidden. So in that case, what you have to do is select the partition that you want to delete. So for that, what you have to do is type in select partition. Now enter the partition number. Here I'm just going to enter 3. Now press enter. Now you can see over here partition 3 is now selected. Now what you have to do is simply enter delete partition override. Press enter. Now you can see over here disk part has successfully deleted the selected partition. Now the hidden partition has been deleted. So that is how you delete hidden partition on Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.